Hey Miss Mamas, and welcome to my Back to the Basics series. This will be the ultimate guide to getting your makeup game all the way together. In this series, I'm going to be breaking down how to create an everyday flawless makeup look so that you can master doing your own makeup at home. Every episode will focus on a different part of the face, and I will be showing you guys all of the tips, tricks, and products that you need to look bomb every time. So let's get back to the basics and make sure your face card never declines. Alright sis, so have you ever wondered why your makeup doesn't last all day or why it just doesn't look as smooth as you want? That's because it all starts with your skin prep. And if you're not properly prepping your skin before your makeup application, Miss Girl, it's just not going to give. In today's video, I'm going to be walking you through an easy 7-step skin prep routine that will ensure your makeup applies seamlessly and stay flawless all day. Let's get into it. Alright, so first we're going to start by cleansing the face with a gentle cleanser that works best for your skin type. If you have oily skin, I do recommend using more of a gel-based cleanser. My skin is typically normal, but in the colder seasons, it does tend to get a bit dry, so I like to describe my skin as more of normal to dry. So today, I'm going to be reaching for my Roche-Posay Hydrating Gentle Cleanser. And I really like this cleanser because it cleans all of the dirt, makeup if you still have some previous makeup on your skin from the night before, and impurities from your skin without stripping the skin from the natural skin barrier. And I also feel like it just keeps the pH of my skin nice and healthy. So I'm just gonna turn my faucet on, and what I like to do is just put a little bit of water on my hands and just kind of get my skin a little damp. And y'all see we got Embryolisse in town today. So say hey to Embryolisse, y'all. Alright, so now that my skin is nice and damp, I'm gonna take some of my gentle cleanser. Just one pump is enough. And I'm gonna lather that up in my hands for a few seconds. And then once we got it nice and lathered, I'm gonna go ahead and cleanse my face. And you want to make sure you're doing this for a full 60 seconds. I seen a different creator do this like years ago. And I'm no skin expert, but I'm gonna just listen to what the girl said. 60 seconds really ensures that the product is really penetrating the skin and getting you all nice and clean. All right, now I'm gonna take this is one of my makeup remover towels, but I like to use this for my skin because it's so soft. I don't like using rough washcloths on my face, like it just don't give that. And so I'm just gonna make sure I get all of that cleanser onto my skin now. Alright, so now that the skin is nice and clean, let's move on to step 2. Alright, next we're gonna go in with our hydrating toner. Today I'm gonna be reaching for my CeraVe hydrating toner. I really love this product. It's very affordable, and what this is gonna do is help restore the skin barrier even further. So now after we've used a really nice gentle cleanser, we're just gonna go ahead and reinforce that with our toner. You wanna make sure your skin is protected at all times, sisters. And I'm just applying this with a cotton round and some sweeping motions. And also the toner is gonna help prep the skin for your serum, which is step 3. Now for step 3, while the face is still slightly damp from the cleanser and the toner, you want to go in with a really good serum. I like to use a vitamin C serum for the anti-aging and brightening properties. But if you feel like you need more hydration, I would use a serum that has hyaluronic acid in it. Or if you're trying to control your oil, you have like oil control problems, I would use a serum that has niacinamide in it. I hope I said that right. But I'm gonna go in with my vitamin C serum from Roche-Posay. Yeah, I hope I'm saying this brand right too. And this is pricey, so make sure that when you're picking this up out of the jar that you're not spilling any of it. Okay, this is all of $48 and I need all $48 worth on my skin. So I'm just gonna drip that. I've been talking too long, so some of the moisture is starting to soak up in my skin. So let's get our vitamin C on. like to be really careful. Make sure ain't none drip on the sides. All right, and put that on all over. It smells so good. All right, for step 4, we want to go ahead and lock in that moisture with our moisturizer. And I'm going to be going in with my Embryolisse moisturizing cream. This stuff is the truth, okay? Now, I do recommend this more for my dry girlies. If you have oily skin, I do recommend using something a little bit more lightweight. But this moisturizer is definitely going to leave your skin feeling amazing. So I just put that all in the palm of my hands. And I'm just going to put that all on my skin as well. And as y'all can see, my skin is looking nice and glowy, getting sweat. All right, so now that we're nice and moisturized, let's move on to step 5. Now at this point, I want to go ahead and add more moisture under my eyes because y'all, my under eyes be dry. And if you feel like your concealer be like cracking under your eyes, it's probably because you didn't moisturize that layer of skin first. And that layer of skin under your eyes is really soft and delicate, so you want to make sure she stays hydrated too. You don't want her all crunchy, munchy, and dry like that. So I'm gonna go in with my Good Molecules Wake Up Gel. I absolutely love this stuff. This is definitely gonna super hydrate under your eyes, and it's also supposed to help with the puffiness. So I like to use a Q-tip when I'm applying this and just put that all up under my eye. You see how much hydration that put under my eye? Like, this stuff is amazing. And now I'm just gonna use the other end of my cotton round. See, just take a little bit and put that under my eye. I said cotton round, I mean Q-tip. Put that under my eye. Now time for step 6. Now, some people would say step 6 is optional, but Miss Girl, don't play with the sun. Go ahead and pick up your SPF, okay? And specifically this one. Now this is SPF 40. This is from Supergoop. This is the Unseen Sunscreen. And for my sisters, if you know, you know. If you pick up the wrong SPF, you will be looking like Casper the Friendly Ghost. And we don't want to give that. So we're going to specifically pick up Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. I know it's kind of, the word's kind of coming off. This is the best sunscreen for my sisters. Now, the rule of thumb for putting on your sunscreen is to put it up your index and your middle finger. So that's just what I'm gonna do. Again, I'm not no skin expert. I didn't go to school to be an esthetician. I'm gonna just listen to what the pros be saying, okay? So now that we got that all on, I just wanna make sure this get all on. I love this stuff. And this also too definitely preps your skin for a flawless base because it's gonna give you that velvety, soft finish. And you can just put the sunscreen on and go on about your day, but I really do like to use this under my makeup as well. Especially if I'm going out during the day or the summertime. I can bring that down on the neck. Always make sure you're protecting your skin before you're putting stuff on top of it, okay? This is why skin prep is so important. And now for the final step, I'm gonna go in with my Laniege Lip Glowy Balm. And this is in the flavor Gummy Bear. I really like this one. I like the original one and I like Gummy Bear. And I'm just gonna put this on my lips to prep my lips for any lipstick or lip gloss that I may use later. But you also wanna make sure your lips are nice and prepped too. Don't skip your lips. Your lips are a part of the face, honey. You gotta prep everything. Now, once you've moisturized everything on your face, this is when you wanna get into your primers and start doing your foundation and things of that nature. But I'll hold off on that until episode 2. The main takeaway in this episode is to make sure that you cleanse your skin, you're hydrating it, moisturizing, and don't forget your SPF. If you follow these steps, this will help you create that beautiful canvas for your makeup to sit on beautifully. Trust me, sis, I won't steer you in the wrong direction. And also, make sure you like this video if you found it helpful. Hit that subscribe button and the bell notification so that you don't miss episode 2, where we will learn how to do a flawless makeup base. You don't want to miss it, sis. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.